So here's the problem with this 40/2 Chinese city critique. It is the ambient sound is quite loud. This is why we will be heavily investing in soundproof drywall for Arkology. Now, concrete is known for sound bouncing off of it and making things loud and echoing. And Arkology famously has almost no concrete in its construction. So you won't be hearing a lot of this ambient noise. And also, the 3D layering of the city breaks up all of the ambient noise, which reduces the ambient noise greatly. Unfortunately, steel kind of rings instead of echoes, but that should be less of a problem because of the layering. You'll be blessed with silence, even while in the densest city in the world.